In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Asana. If you've ever struggled to collect consistent information for requests, bug reports, or intake from other teams, Asana forms are a simple way to standardize what you receive and turn every submission into a task in the right place. Start by opening the project where you want submissions to land. This is important because every form you create is tied to a specific project and each response becomes a task there. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace and project, and consider how you plan to triage the incoming tasks once they arrive. Clear sections, assignees, or custom fields in the project can make the follow-up much smoother. Next, look to the top right corner of your project and click the Customize button. This opens the Project Customization panel where you manage things like fields, rules, and of course forms. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're viewing the project in a supported layout and that you have permission to edit it. In the customization panel, select Forms, then click the plus Add Form button. This creates a new form that feeds directly into your project. From here, you're in the Form Builder, which gives you a clear canvas and a set of tools to shape exactly what information you want to capture. You can give your form a clear title and brief description so submitters understand the purpose and what to expect before they start filling it out. Now use the drag and drop editor to add the fields you need. Short text fields are great for names, quick summaries, or links. Use longer text for detailed descriptions like steps to reproduce an issue or the context behind a request. Drop-downs help you standardize responses, think priority levels, request types, or departments so your project data stays clean and easy to filter. Date pickers are ideal for target dates or deadlines, helping you set expectations right from the start. File attachments let people include screenshots, briefs, or supporting documents without back and forth. As you add fields, write clear labels and helpful instructions, keep the essential questions at the top and group related items together so the form feels natural to complete. If certain details are mandatory, mark those fields as required to prevent incomplete entries. Reorder fields by dragging them into a logical flow and keep the form as concise as possible to encourage completion. That's it. With your form saved, every submission will automatically create a task in your chosen project, complete with the details you asked for, so your team can act quickly and consistently.